To find the slope of the line connecting these points, use the slope formula. First, label the coordinates x1 and y1, then x2 and y2. Let's call this one x1 and this one y1. This becomes x2 and y2. Plug these coordinates into their corresponding place in the formula. y2 goes here, -2. y1 goes here, 2. x2 goes here, and x1 goes here, and make a note of the negative sign. Simplify the numerator and denominator. -2 minus 2 is -4. And 2 minus a -1 is 2 plus 1, or 3. Simplify the fraction. So this becomes -4/3, or -1 1/3, -1.3. And that is the slope of this line, which is negative, and it slopes downward in this direction.